So it's been a busy couple of weeks here. I've been trying to replace the Vanos Solenoids in the BMW. As you can see here, we got the old Vanos on the left side, solenoid valves, and the new one just came today from fcpeuro.com. These guys look pretty good, very nice, and because initially I had Vanos replacements from partsgeek.com, and I've been trying to put them into the BMW, but I tried so hard, try to get them inside the engine, but they just would not go in all the way. So I figured, probably partsgeek.com, their website, even though it says those solenoids that they sent me would fit the BMW 535i that I had, but they didn't fit, and they were quite a bit cheaper than these solenoids I just purchased from fcpeuro.com. The ones from Partsgeek were like $68 a pair, and they look a little bit different, although they look very similar. There's the ones from Partsgeek.com over in this area where the clear screens here, they had some sort of like a wiring that sort of like a wire wrapping around it in addition to the screen. But these guys look pretty much the same exactly as these original ones that we had in the car. And I've also kind of tested these using them initially with the multimeter, checking the ohms, going to the ohm side at the bottom, turning to bottom to the ohms, right? And just checking the resistance in the leads. I don't know if you can see it. Two leads, electrical leads in here. I checked them for the new ones here and the old ones. I could not see any marked differences. They were kind of hovering around 10 to 10.5 ohms. But sometimes, when I was using the multimeter to check the new ones, they also kind of fluctuated up to like 12 or something. It's just really weird. So the multimeter checking didn't really tell me much. But when I used a 9-volt battery to check the leads in here, I connected the 9-volt battery to the leads in here. You can hear a very marked, you can hear the clicking noise where it's like the solo. You can hear the solenoid valve opening, so that's what you really want, right? And whereas the old ones, when I connected this 9-volt battery to the electrical leads, basically nothing happened. So I'm gonna say these old ones were bad and did not function at all, So these solenoid valves, they are very important because they control the intake and exhaust oil. Well, yeah, they control the flow of oil into the engine, right? So if you don't get enough oil into the engine, you get the lubrication of your crankshaft and piston rods doesn't get lubricated and everything, and you could have a big problem in the engine. So hopefully this is what gonna solve it. But when I when I took these old ones out, I saw a lot of like bits and pieces, small shavings of metal right on the screen here, which I cleaned off using like a brake cleaner. But man, it was quite a bit like at this area here where those that has it's like a mesh, like a porous mesh you can see through there. But yeah, I'm gonna put these new ones in and gonna try to start the car and see what happens. Later.